We're standing on Lot 5 in the Heights in historical downtown Crested Butte. This is also nicknamed the Bench because we're sitting above town and we have awesome views of the surrounding mountains, Mount Crested Butte, and of course overlooking historical downtown Crested Butte. This home site is a little bit less than 1/3 of an acre, offering you a great opportunity and a rare opportunity with not a lot of land left available in downtown Crested Butte to build your dream home. We're actually going to go up and I'm going to give you a bird's eye view of this lot and the surrounding views. It's an awesome lot. I can't wait to show it to you. Let's go see.
And now, back to the music.